How to log out Google account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log out your Google account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, to log out your Google account from Android means that your Android will not be able to function properly without a Google account. You can't use Google Play Store and services apps. You simply can't download any apps from the Play Store if you remove your Google account. So if you understand this and you want to remove your Google account and log out, first of all, open any sort of Google app, which could be the Google Chrome browser or Google Play Store, any sort of Google apps. Then tap the Google profile from the top right, because under any of those you'll find that option. Where you'll find this little option of this drop down menu, tap on it, and once you have done that, you'll find an option that says manage accounts on this device. So tap on manage accounts on this device, select your Google account, tap on the remove account option to remove your account and log out Google account from your phone. This way you can log out Google account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.